Hi, doctor.
Hey, hi Luke.
I have some rapid fire questions for you today.
Yeah, go on.
Doctor, what exactly is hypertension in pregnancy?
Hypertension in pregnancy is basically high blood pressure where the woman has more than or equal to 140 by 90 mm of Hg blood pressure.
Okay. How is hypertension in pregnancy different from routine high blood pressure?
Yeah, it's very different. It is in fact more dangerous and more rapidly progressing in pregnancy. Normal hypertension is already pre-existing even when the woman is not pregnant, whereas pregnancy in hypertension occurs after 20 weeks.
Got it. What are the early and late signs of hypertension in pregnancy?
See, the problem is in pregnancy we don't get early signs. Mostly it is late signs and it will be blurring of vision, acute headache, giddiness, vomiting, upper abdomen pain, reduced urine output, blood in urine. These are the signs where the woman has to be really careful and rush to the hospital immediately.
Okay, with so many women affected, how can hypertension in pregnancy be managed effectively?
If it is diagnosed early and managed in the right way, definitely it can be managed. There's nothing to worry about. It is with medications like style changes and what food to eat, what food to not eat is very important, and how you manage your stress. And yes, accurate medications that we offer should be taken timely, and we will give you a chart on how many times it should be taken and what is the time that it has to be taken.
What foods should they avoid to manage hypertension in pregnancy?
Yeah, basically sugars with high sodium content, mainly salty pickles, canned food, processed food, outside food, anything with MSG in it should be better avoided.
Okay. What are the potential risks of hypertension to the mother and the baby?
A lot of risks. The baby can have IUGR, what we call intrauterine growth retardation, where the baby starts growing less, 1 week less, 2 weeks less, and in the subsequent scans, the baby can even have reduced blood supply to the brain, and even it can cause intrauterine death. And even in the women, it can cause something called eclampsia, which is fits during pregnancy, and also something called HELLP syndrome, which is very dangerous.
So, Dr. Majlita, you've seen so many patients. Can you share your experience with hypertension in pregnancy?
It's been 15 years I'm into practice and I've seen a lot of patients with very high blood pressure, eclampsia, HELLP syndrome. But by God's grace and with prompt intervention and timely delivery, I've been able to save all of them. And I should thank God for that. So yeah, friends, you saw a rapid fire round on hypertension in pregnancy. For a detailed discussion on hypertension in pregnancy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are coming up with a detailed podcast on this topic.